Oh boy. Okay, so here's how the sign turned out. And I was almost wondering, because it was hard to draw with this little ballpoint. Come on, focus. It was hard to draw with this little ballpoint without, like, running off the side. I was wondering if it would have been easier while the letters were still in this, if you peeled up the layer, drew on it, then popped it out. If that, and glued it on, would that have been any easier? Probably not. I would like to think that they tell you the way to do it. That's the easiest. So yeah, so there's that sign. It looks pretty good. And this little box here. So there were 6 of these sticks, and you actually have to cut them. So you cut 4 of them, cut a little nib off of them. And it wasn't too bad. I measured it and put a little line on it, and then I took an X-Acto knife and just kind of cut through, turned it, cut through, and then snapped it. And that got these little parts off. And that's it for that. And then I glued on the little label. So there's that one. It's pretty cute too. Okay, let's gather the things for the water dispenser at least. All right, so we have, all right, let me move some stuff. I'm putting all the completed stuff over on the side there, so. Okay, so we need an A30. Oh, I can cross some stuff off on here. Let's use my pen. Deep, deep, deep. Oh, and this guy. And that. And all these. Okay, A30. That is on this one. 2 A30s. Let go. 2 A30s, an A29. A21. And then we've got some B items, which I assume is over here. I already marked these, so I'll just use, so B18, 3 of those. Wood pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 wood pieces. Aluminum foil tape from bag 4. So this is bag 4, and I think I also have bag 4 somewhere else because it didn't all fit. This stuff in bag 4 didn't fit, so I just marked it. Okay, so aluminum foil tape. It's probably this. It's kind of thick. Looks like I could possibly peel that apart. Bag number 6. Small gold bead. This is all the stuff from bag number 6. It's a little on the confusing side for some of the parts. like small gold bead. I assume it's one of these, because there's not much else to choose from. But like, I guess that's supposed to be the same, even though it looks a lot bigger from the side. Yeah, those are probably all the small gold beads. So we need one. Beep. And from bag number, well, also from bag number 4. Is this 4? This is 6. Bag number 6. That's it from bag number 6. So bag number 4, let's go back to that. A metal sleeve. Nope, that's bag number 5. Black wire, 30 millimeter. I'm gonna guess it's this, because this is a wire and this is a tube. I should probably cut that now and put what's left back in here. Let me get my white pen. $30 millimeters. Not much. So I have some jewelry wire cutters and snip. Okay, now let me put this back into box 4. Okay. 5. Put all the stuff from 5 in here. Ooh, this one stinks. Something in here is smelly. It's probably not batteries and whatever that thing is for the electrical stuff. There were a bunch of these. I put them on paper clips to try to organize them. I don't know if that's helping me or not. Okay, I am in box 5, bag 5. Transparent jar. One of these. And black wire. There's no black wire in this one. Black wire. 2 different black wires. There's no black wire in here. Are they referring to something as black wire that's not black wire? L2MM from number 5. That doesn't look like wire. So it's I don't know what that is that they think that that's black wire. Okay, so they've already put on a piece of black on the front, and then like it's a knob, it's a tiny knob thing. There's nothing in here that looks like that. Well, it's just a tiny knob, right? Maybe it'll be something where I'll come back and I'll go, oh, it was this! And isn't that the best ever that I found it? Let's look in some other stuff just in case. I guess I should make sure. I mean, is it still the same wire? I'm just using another tiny piece of it? Because that wire was from bag 4, not bag 5. That's their example. That little tiny dot. This is bag 4. This is bag 6. That's just beads and things. Well, we're no worse off. Okay, so that's all the parts. And then as far as putting it together, I'm going to cut the foil like this. These are all, I believe all those are, yeah, so here's, sorry, I bumped the camera. There's, oh no, that's N3, where's M7? Get the right set of 2 black dots. If you can't tell, sometimes this stuff is confusing. Okay, here we go. M7, M16, M17, and M18. Yeah, that's everything. And then I will measure the foil and cut these pieces out here. Glue together, put the foil on, cut, fold in. Alright, that's cool. Put more foil on. I guess it's self-stick, yeah. And then put the black parts on, put the glue the those parts together, and assemble. So I will have that done next you see me. Thanks for watching.